Right, big news coming in. Prime Minister Modi in France. There were, of course, the business meetings and a visit to the war cemetery. But Prime Minister Modi has also paid a tribute to Veer Savarkar in France. This is historic. Modi's tribute in Marseille to France. Marseille, remember, is a historic city, and that's also where the Indian consulate is being inaugurated. That's where the war cemetery, where Indian soldiers were martyred during the First and Second World Wars. That's where Prime Minister Modi went. But specifically, he has said, I quote him here, Savarkar attempted a brave escape from Marseille. When he arrived, this is in southern France, paying homage to the memory of the freedom fighter Veer Savarkar, who attempted a courageous escape at the port city. Remember, just to give you a background, during the British colonial rule, when India was a British colony, freedom fighter Veer Savarkar, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, attempted an escape from captivity. On 8th July in 1910, he was being transported on board the British ship Maurya to India to stand trial. And now Prime Minister Modi himself, when paying a tribute, acknowledging Savarkar, who otherwise many have said has been a controversial image. Remember, the opposition has a very different view of Veer Savarkar. Here, but Prime Minister Modi, in many ways, is he also adding on to the clarity of the image of Veer Savarkar? So that's the big news coming in, the visuals of Prime Minister Modi in France, especially in Marseille as well, where an Indian consulate was inaugurated, war cemetery was visited, where he paid homage to the Indian soldiers. But this is very specific. This is about Veer Savarkar in France. Prime Minister Modi mentioning it, saying attempted a brave escape in 1910 when he was being transported on board the British ship. And that courageous escape at the port city in southern France is something that must be remembered. So that's a big story that's coming in. Apart from, of course, on the sidelines of the business events, the investment events that we have seen in France by Prime Minister Modi. Right, so we'll try to play out those images as well and the quotes that Prime Minister Modi has given. But remember, in the past few years, especially with the Modi government, there have been a lot of clarity also that has come in. What the BJP leaders and other scholars have said had been portraying Savarkar in a negative light, which wasn't really correct. Are we looking at history being revisited now when even Prime Minister Modi in France is mentioning him?